Take an inhale and an exhale. Big step to the front of the mat in a chair pose, Utkatasana. Send the hips down. We'll bring the hands to prayer. Revolve over to the right. So press the palms, left hand to the outside of, or left elbow to the outside of the right leg, with the option for a playful arm balance here as we come into side crow. So your hands can come down, right elbow pins in so that the right side body can even land on the arm and perhaps those feet float off the mat. Land the feet back down. Inhale up through chair pose, all the way up to stand. And exhale back to our mountain pose. Stand nice and tall. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, fold. Hope you're feeling energy